Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the actual surface. Prime glossy walls and sand smooth so paint adheres. Once primed, mark the horizon line and 2 vanishing points for perspective. This anchors your 3D illusion. Use a light pencil grid scaled to your reference image so proportions transfer accurately. Next, project or trace the main shapes onto the wall and block in base tones with a roller or large brush to establish overall value. This gives a stable canvas for detailed modeling. Now you sculpt the illusion with paint. Establish midtones, then layer darker core shadows and decisive highlights to create convincing volume. Make sure the light direction you chose earlier remains consistent across objects so depth reads correctly. Use glazing for smooth transitions and dry brush for soft edges. A fan brush helps feather reflected light. For tactile surfaces, apply texture with a palette knife or stippling brush. Once done, step back frequently and view from the intended vantage point to confirm the 3-dimensional effect. Finish by sharpening cast shadows and adding small high-contrast accents where light hits edges. This sells the pop-out effect. Clean up hard edges with a small detail brush and deepen contact shadows under objects so they sit on the wall. When fully dry, apply a clear varnish suited to the finish you want, matte for subtlety, satin for slight sheen. If the 3D looks flat, increase local contrast, deepen key shadows, and reintroduce crisp highlights to restore dimensionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.